What's up, Affordable Armory folks? How y'all doing? I got an awesome one for you today. We are going to unbox the Masada from IWI. This is a cool pistol, so without further ado, let's head over to the bench and unbox it. Alright, so here we are at the workbench. You can see that the Masada comes in a very generic cardboard box. Israeli Weapon Industries, that's what IWI stands for. They make some awesome guns. The Tavor, I don't know, that's probably their most famous one. The Galil, which is like a modified AK. Well, this is a pistol that they just recently came out with. The Jericho, that's their other pistol that was awesome. It was a hammer-fired, like modified CZ75 clone, basically. It was a really cool pistol. But anyway, this is a striker-fired gun. You open it up and you've got a bag of goodies. Looks like some safety information and a manual and some sort of lanyard thing. I'll have to open that up and see what that's all about. There's that. You got your Youth Handgun Safety Act notice. Those seem to be coming in every gun I buy lately. And then you have the gun. This thing is awesome. Look at this. So it has a plate for putting red dot sights on it. Pretty cool. Right out of the box, you can mount a red dot. It is ambidextrous, fully ambidextrous. So there's your slide stop and mag release, and same thing on that side. So you don't even have to flip anything around. It's just there on both sides. The only thing that's not there is the takedown lever. But holds 17 rounds in the magazine, which is pretty cool. We'll set that to the side. It does come with a spare magazine, so there's one in the gun and it comes with an extra. It's very nice. There's a back strap on the gun, and then it comes with 2 additional back straps, so that's pretty cool. This seems to be pretty standard nowadays. I mean, guns that don't come with this, Stoger, you know, they need to catch up with the times, because this is, like it says, pretty standard now that guns come with extra back straps. So, and you got your cable lock, useless thing. Oh, got some free range passes for Sumner Gun & Supply. That's where I bought this gun. That's my local range. I shoot there all the time. If you're in the Middle Tennessee area, go check them out because they are awesome. It's a small shop and a gun range with 10 lanes. They have actually a pretty good selection of guns. I've bought several from them, including this one, and they're all very friendly. So go check them out. The last thing in the box here is your mounts for different optics. So it looks like it has 3 different mounts for the Delta Point, the RMR, and the Venom and Romeo. So technically 4 different mounts, but I guess that's a shared mount. And then obviously multiple optics, we use the RMR mount. So, and I think some others use the Delta Point mount too. So this should be pretty versatile. It's three different mounting systems, but you should be able to mount multiple optics with it. So there you go, that's the unboxing, and without further ado, we'll roll the first shots footage. Alright guys, we're here at the range, and I'm going to be testing out the IWI Masada. I'm pretty excited to try this pistol out, so without further ado, here we go. Target is now at 10 yards. Yeah. Here we go. Not quite what I wanted, but it's pretty good. I'll get better with it. All right, let's keep going. Alright, I think I'm going to shoot the white between the top 4 circles, right in the middle. Bingo! Terrible for shooting one-handed. Let's try that again. Might as well go lefty. Screw it. This is probably going to be awful, but we'll give it a shot. It's an ambidextrous gun. Got to try it out. So there you have it, folks. That is the unboxing and first shots of the IWI Masada. I think this is a pretty cool pistol. I'm gonna shoot it some more. I'm gonna get some red dot optics to put on it and test those out. And I will continue to shoot this gun because so far I really like it. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, please head over to affordable-armory.com and pick up some merch. We've got hats and t-shirts and stuff like that. It'll help support the channel. That's also where the blog lives. Follow us on Instagram at Affordable Armory. That's where you will see what we've been working on lately, as well as some behind the scenes stuff. And if you follow us on Facebook, that's where you'll see when the newest YouTube videos come out, as well as our latest blog posts. And I'm also going to be working on putting out some deals on gear. So, good stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.